masem amamati niaminem yasi say o shabrana senkrabia mi boni ana seti boni ebusia me free mu diamenti asio me nyame ei chemasi Missy one grand over Kamasumasam. Amamanti, Niaminam Yasi. Niana a gram yamidiani at the dead. Ebani say, Nadane Bonyo Nay. Ebusemo Sambia Sosimio. Wine crown, Ogyefo. Ogyefo ni wayo. Ejameti me wasio. Ogyefo ni wayo. Odon faje. Ogyefo ni wayo ejamete me wasio Ogyefo ni wayo odon faje ajisewa bibi sasa busia be na frimu abiu onu se asem mi akata no ase enu a wo baaye na na mekoda ma ntwero ho amenti ase da minimu da se papa wo ba medie me yeti anya me se papa wo da wo Debbie, that look or say, oh, man, so wait. Just me, Unyaname. Eh, Madame Kelly out if you are. Why, I'm not buying them, Michelle. And I'll bet I say, and then Michelle. Remember, Pana, Mr. Boaty, up a little ah, oh, nice. No, but Penny Mammy is she and Mammy fell food. See Hwan already. Mamma won't come to tea. No baby and papa, a fire. It's 2 months away. It's many young. And a mamma come with so much and say, Papa, why ye, or si can't cassa. If you can't be asked, bet them quiet with whom Papa. It's a call baby, I know one, or what's that done? No, Timothy, dear, and a mamma who has you. Ewa paddy, ewa pabobra. Meba papa. Ah, oh, Bobra. Now say if you have a fair fear of me. Ebushie fie be pa na ata uze colors yesi ah ya decorate ya say o papa nsa no adwuma first na atakwa me ana obu me obu ya de anke be just as na fenisi we ya renovation minim how of aso ye na de but ona modernizing am na be say na je say ahanya papa de da bi o eya abusu fie but ono na asiesie na say abusu fie no asiesie de ne de ah okay ne de di ne da so hey maba ejeze enu na betina fi maba na maba enu na betina me no na betina afede me ho atomi na first me kwa me na masa me bra ba Kobi wa me to no okọ Accra on se ye obu okokokoko ona ye buso mbroni okay ye buso mbroni wono no kokokoko no fe ye wada ma de me yipe chaachiro no fe tai na ye de me busa ga kru ifie ha no hat say so be fear from sana eso tumi hu emu nsem se be am so tutu ma na mare akọ be asem de ko ahan ifia ha die me nka sesebi wo me ma wofo na me ko mo kirase ahan titiro me maame won onye amana si woni papa wo o papa wo yiri bia ni a o papa kuma ayere no me maame onye ono die me maame no me wo ya ade bia ade bi wo ha metuma santi but ade bi wo de a wo ka me nka hwe bisro duma me papa na me ma me do me papa pelu afaso ofia ha no enya de ketewa omuti o papa etime fa de esini to konsu all because say so ntwa like water be nyame no wo papa no ho kere ne pa obonyem odi hia ntono na wo ka say papa kin fa de esini satana wo minya kameko akobje asudwuma me ma me dibedi me no efia ha me ne wo papa na etesese o mo che me wo me kwa me no munye free ye koso ke so de papa atutan kuwa tontura no mo bo taskele abre fie no so wono na sisia ani dinda so bra sa ese me no me no na epeni me meche sa ne bra pani enye papa wo me me hunu bi okay ene ko ba chami ene me bra pani ne bra pani papa betre fie ansa na ye wo Dabi me yo ko kesi ma sare me anyara mini yo me yo ko kesiem what a hilltop da ko re fan hilltop kuma se is lego ona na yeti bi bi ntia ma be pie
na mama no papa o
agara abamu ne Hwan ka na what to say
no pa che me ho
we dey facha me no aba me ntimi ne we ni amane na aso firi he
me fi jako
na ma me dey say
ama German
ayo so ba na ne ho ye dey
no pa che ne ho
yo eni akwa aba me ba
ya me dey
na wanya mfi say ayi so
mfi ndi ana me ntanka
adenti so ma me ka tere me
What's what time when you time?
Ene bia no di buru.
O je sem papa me hunu. Ti mi na bi hu sem papa.
Ti ene ampa what time?
Yes eh. Wanyini, na nyese bia akwada na me fa na fa cham. Why? Ene anopa me ko to Kobi esi ho nti. Ya no aba abachi.
O to si mi. Mam da si mi shira.
Hati ya.
Si ni ke be ko so.
O to mansa, no say me pe mansa na mpe.
Ona mtobre man to amro. Nti wunu nu edi nkomo wi ano aba abachi why? Why ready akwa mo ni kan di. Na ai. O papa. O so de o kwa na.
Okay.
Wa pie.
Mpie ade.
O de. Anjo. Ene bi pie.
Mi wa ka chem.
Bibia ni ho. Bibia ni ho why?
Ma sim efni mabaha hatisi.
Oh fia.
Ko na epin.
Efia che mo kire.
Ayi ku.
Ayi din kama. A chess ye din. Na se fia ensa mpen kwase asem. Wo de banko ade de be fro na aba na wo ye ho se. Wo tu ba bi di obi ate be.
Si abo no hu won ka won fini senchire.
Ena di asempa.
O me de me hodo. Ko bi ate semen ke wi asense.
No.
Sleeping let semen ke wi asense.
Ena me no be say touch am. Etu ba kwa.
No de ma. Ma ha.
Etu ba. Enu ni aba ni nkomo why?
Kasaba wo ne ba wiase okotokoku e de asi wo me de wa amame safe de akonni nkyire mu
Na se do we kwa me ni o e ba obi bibi
de oni aduro on me ma me de se be onya baifu na emu menunu so na ehyi
nti we ne fufuru mu fa na se de ase o ba o ho me do si bi gime fesu ke ko so atra o da sen ka mepe o
ono be kana asem ba obi ntupuduo ma abayi na asem ba
okay me so be maka chin se me no me hu ndrusa
onyo
sina wa kan si mu akire me ntam mo me bi so akire
onyo
me nyamre
na se ka bom de neja
watiasi
eja me nyame omu ye mam ne papa ba me so mo nsam so
se me fe
me no papa pelu ti sei
nti fe dem pe fe na me yem hie me hu na mo se mo hu mo jana
osame ha
ai se bluetooth
osame ha
ana se wifi
me ni obi e beji mi abo mo osame ha osame ha
besewa me furu na be sha
no se
me sha na me bra ma be sha
ni me ta ko party ache
Vema 10 gram. Vema 10 gram.
Opo bevedi.
Vema 10 gram.
Vema jina vema.
Ngonia.
Chema mokodi.
Na bende yake.
Nice one.
Yake.
Obi ani fi.
Wa fi apina. Nto obi ani.
Mungwana sha.
Ngwana msao.
Oh, okay. Kam de ibi brom de obi ani fi de me ko mo ba na kam de ba.
What the baby brim now what happened at the baby brim of your
so what can come here witness say be obi am say be ade am
witness
yeah
na da be na Kobi na dem wana.
Wa hia.
Na Kobi na dem wana. No sentiment as heavy.
Chaba.
Am at 10 gram.
Ibufu ana bi tete.
Me hu na mani age. Cause mo ba no wo ho.
O se dey.
Ibunim nanti o. I just say me hu papa man say Bediide ka. Ebi o pa.
Bodu.
Be say ni.
Wa hia tell him.
5,000.
Wa hia. Pepe I say unim.
O say boy agrone for.
Eti no.
Eno what they bury am. So onya they bury me hu hia me hu say hia bi. To betu akọ. Na so we dey be ma tentengram ye di kan ma wo de na dey say ma lo. On de ba ko manage hunni. Ye mfa envelope ma family menti ya no da.
Oh,
The be out to say yes, we hit you know. We active no. We won't see a try.
What's that you could have from my home? I saw one. Miss Vidas, Batty. TV, why?
Amisha. My main fan show and China Philip over.
Matty.
On nam film, Gally says the Abuaba. Yamia, my wife.
To be the idea, brother, no one fella to jump in to be kind. A toss will be Matthias. Why? Why are they? Miss Midas. Bear Martin Tingram for them yet. On your way, my head after a Santa Madanas. Make no trap and try. At this cave, I said, I'll be tears. Was some family now, and your bush of fringe night, and I'll be tears. Oko cape, no bush of front to any one of me. Yes, intimenka and friend. Or Frau Crown one can once a man and can once a man. Couldn't say the Yamati about what Jimmy and Mosso Minka. Fashion Minka. Oh, dear, say, I'm full of your tip. Yeah, thank you, Modi Mampenipa. Oh, and Cabot Tom man's ready. When I'm quite fancy that. Opera be a jar night. I ask him. Are they? Ade. Come on, you cry. So flower. Who's you do be at man? You. You. Why? Cool. Why? Me cry men come on. Men come. Na me you go so. Say the other bay na on frame me do. Ah. Oh, I'm some to cry and that na see. Hey! Bonsambo. What? Apalu. Me shawo matis obi ya asante I don't want to no. Anya yi na ba ai akoyo sese oh. O sese ska be. Na bi ai be matenten gram. Okuani. Ana o se obebuta asante ko ye no ye nte ne nka na. Nam se boye na me ko ti asante nka. Okuani na ebebusa. Ona ba bebusa. No asante number nyina woni. E mo wakra nti me ko email address woni.
Ana me ne kun to ko se amaka che to boko onko. Na me mpɛ
nti tɔkwana no ɔsɛ mo nkyɛ mete mu nkyɛ bi
ɔno na ɔkyɛ sɛ nanka no nka asante so nkɔ diske bɛba ne akyɛ na owusam sɛ asante yɛnte ne nka na anam so yɛnte ne nka ɛnyɛ bia no ne bae
wati mako a wotwe deɛ prako mako pa yɛmfa ni dɔkono
apalu
ano ya
apalu
ɛsɛ na nkasa nkane no na me yɛdin no makyɛ deɛ gyabe this time ne ba ɔsɛ abusua no nkyɛ ma me nsa nka me deɛ
wona sɛ ba wobɛtuma fra asante abusa sɛ
ya me kyerɛ sɛ me mfrɛ no ɛnde me nya bi da wo na abesi so adidi gya ni bunana ana me kyerɛ sɛ mete me da ho me na you mete na sɛ da sɛ wa yes smart wa twuma ko ne sɛ an me sɛ wa da roma
enya ade bia sɛ wɔde bibi ne bae anka meka
to ne bae de me kyerɛ sɛ
wɔde bibi bae anka meka to wɔde bibi ne bae
ana me fa me kyerɛ de me kyerɛ sɛ
wo da wo so waji machinyi a wo da waji machinyi a we nya da nya ade bia bia bra be search me da wo da be search me ya be search me sɛ ska wo mu a ska bi wo mu a de be search me yi
ofra mu da agye ne nani agye
Vieno.
Que? Matia Palunia.
Oh, whatever.
Come and search you.
Come and search me.
Men search you.
Where I handkerchief look.
Men search you. And Papa, I'm to be. I'm a papa. Seven and Papa.
And you're married.
Matia Brown. Matimini.
And I won't read Musa. Who cast when you match it? Bibi ani afenfefe na sentem nyaw na odi asante sika twitwi odi ba o ma obi bi di nyaw na odi na ya ma me abodom kra ma ni bindi wode ba na watwi na akakra ya ba ya me o babutam se se Mr. Corsa, my video, you want Sanya. And they are wiping it. And they are wiping it. Yeah, I also in Penins. I become Penins, I mean, I see no compatible.
Cinema, like I was saying,
what are you saying? You know something? And I fought. You know something? After I'm coming from the back there, and the Ghana people, I don't know, you people, they insist on song. I am banana fante, one mana one fante, and Namia Puchile one fante, and your bonia one fante. And I'm saying, what is music?
Listen to me. I don't know. Are you singing for me or who? Because I don't know what you are trying to say.
No, I'm singing a song. When somebody is singing it, and I'm explaining to you.
Okay. You know the reason why I came here?
Yeah, I don't know. No,
your wife is about your girlfriend. Penamai.
Who?
Penamai.
Penamai?
Yes.
Is a human being name or a goat name?
You don't know your own woman. Your own woman, Penamai. You don't know her again.
Penamai.
You don't know her again.
Penamai or Penamai?
Okay, maybe that's how you.
What does this cost
that
this time? What's the
pictures go around the church or no be that you are outside.
I don't understand what you are saying. You know.
Jiramai, I'm so sorry because I was the one who caused everything concerning you and your girlfriend.
What exactly I have caused?
I took picture with him, with her rather. I took picture with her.
And what happened?
Then short man showing the picture to you.
Which picture?
The one I took with your girlfriend.
Yeah, I don't understand. No. Which picture what you are talking about?
So that short man didn't show any picture.
He didn't show me any picture.
He didn't show any picture.
No.
So what caused the breaking between you and your girlfriend?
Me my girlfriend what he say every day they worry me. If I say me, he say go. If I say me, he say what? Anytime where I go raising, come cook for me. Cook, he say wait. Nothing where they say me, I don't know what is happening. So it's the cause of the problem. And they don't respect at all. The respect of my woman is too much now low. That is exactly me I live am. No be saying leave me safe.
Nigeria man, are you sure with what you are saying? Are you sure? Because I don't get it.
I am sure.
Because I was the one who standing with your girlfriend, Pinamai. Then that short man took a picture of us and showed the picture to you. And that caused you very angry and annoyed with your girlfriend and sacked her from your house. And you are not telling me you don't know anything about the pictures, you don't know anything about it.
Me, I don't know anything about this picture you are talking about, though.
Okay.
Me, I don't know any picture. If I don't know, I don't know. If I don't say anything where I know, where I say I don't know.
Okay.
Me, I don't know. No, me you send that picture. Me, I don't know.
So you're not the one sack her from your
house? How can you? Why are you blaming me for something?
Because your girlfriend is pressuring me. Your girlfriend is blaming me. I'm the cause of the breaking up of the relationship. That's why your girlfriend is always pressuring me about it. And you are not telling me you don't know anything about it. Okay, fine. If you don't know anything about it, no problem. I'm okay with it. Then I'm trying to talk to your girlfriend. Next time, don't let her come and fight me again.
Why is my wife is fighting with you?
Okay, I'm okay.
No, he's fighting with you. Tell me why he's fighting with you. Or he's causing any problem?
She's fighting with me because of the picture I took with her.
That picture. What is it? Why did you took that picture?
That picture. We are just standing.
You are just standing.
Yeah.
And then you took the picture.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Just like that.
I don't understand though. You don't have any reason, and you just took some picture just like that. What is exactly are you using that picture to do?
That's the reason why I was saying, that short man showed that picture to you, and you say you don't know anything about it.
You don't understand me. I say, what is the reason why?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah, nothing.
Okay. Nothing by nothing.
Yes. We are just praying. We are just having fun. So nothing.
You are just praying.
Yes, we are just praying around. So nothing.
Okay, let me see.
Can I go now?
Is it?
Can I go now?
No, you can go.
I just want you to forgive your wife and accept her back to your life.
Don't worry. I know what I will do. Inside my
Ogyefo Hwan ye radi. Ya Jeremiah boni. Wonu na ye diako. Susuma ku so di radi.